Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Ruthven Towers. Now this development was done by the National Housing Trust and it was a luxury development. And in terms of the NHT, it costs more than the loan they could give you to buy it. For example, I think the maximum you can get from the NHT is if two people are applying joint is 15 million. While these units probably started at about 30 million. But it was a very successful development. They were sold out, and originally the NHT had plans to build two more developments. To the right of where we are is where they were to build phase two and phase three. I think there might even have been a phase four, more high rise towers. And as you can see, the land on the right is just empty now. So there was a lot of public backlash, or I should say discussion, about the construction of these apartments, Ruthven Towers Phase 1. And because of that, the NHT decided not to build any more phases in this development. So, guys, do you think that was a good move, a correct move? Should the National Housing Trust build luxury developments? Now, the way the NHT works is you get, let's just say 15 million. I'm not sure if the amount changed in the last budget. But let's say you get 15 million. You can then go to a commercial bank. You get 15 million from NHT. You then go to the commercial bank and get an additional mortgage to cover the cost, or you pay cash. So it's not as if the NHT benefit is not being used for these developments. But because of all the discussion, the NHT didn't build phase 2 and 3. Now, based on what's going on now, high rise towers are the way of the future. The most pressing reason for them is Kingston is running out of space. So it's better to go more vertical with the buildings, and this is an example of it. So, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Should the National Housing Trust build more luxury developments? Now, they would build the luxury developments, but they'll also build the housing schemes, meaning the large housing schemes, mostly outside of Kingston, they would build those. A lot are under construction. But in addition to building the housing schemes, they would build luxury developments. And the land beside this development is there. Did we pass it? Yeah, we did. I was on the left. The land is there idle now, or I shouldn't say idle, empty. So do you think that NHT should revisit building Ruthven Towers Phase 2 and 3? Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.